Background music starts, upbeat and engaging. Camera zooms in on the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop on the left and PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of products so you don't end up buying a lemon. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steam mops that are hotter than your mom's gossip at a family reunion. It's the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop versus the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Let's see which of these steamers will give your floors the spa treatment they never knew they needed. First up, let's talk about the price, because let's face it, our wallets need some love too. The BISSELL is coming in at a whopping $164. Yikes! That's a price that could make your bank account cry. Meanwhile, the PurSteam is just $99. That's right, folks, you could save enough to buy a fancy latte every day for a month. Reviewers have pointed out that the PurSteam offers great value for money, making it a popular choice for those looking to mop without breaking the bank. So if you're looking to mop without breaking the bank, PurSteam takes the cake, or should I say, the mop. Now, let's get steamy. Both of these mops promise to kick germs to the curb, but the BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of them. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness, noting that it heats up quickly and comes with versatile accessories. However, some have mentioned it can become heavy when carrying it around for extended periods. The PurSteam also boasts a chemical-free clean, perfect for homes with pets and kids. Users have highlighted its portability and effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces, making it a solid competitor. So, whether you're dealing with a toddler's spaghetti explosion or a pet that thinks your floor is their personal bathroom, both mops have got your back. Next, let's talk versatility. The BISSELL comes with a handheld option that's like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Reviewers appreciate its ability to tackle grout and other tough spots. However, some have noted issues with steam consistency. Meanwhile, the PurSteam also converts into a handheld steamer, making it perfect for clothes, upholstery, and anything else you can think of. Users love its lightweight design and versatility for various household tasks, making it like a personal assistant that doesn't demand a salary or coffee breaks. Now, how do these bad boys handle tight spaces? The BISSELL has a 25-foot power cord, which is longer than my patience during a boring meeting. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it allows reaching tricky spots without needing to find. On the flip side, the PurSteam has a swivel mop head that can dance around furniture like it's auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. Some users have mentioned a shorter cord, but still find it maneuverable. So if you've got a lot of furniture, the PurSteam might just be the agile little ninja you need. After looking through the reviews, it's clear both steam mops have their strengths. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is praised for its cleaning power and versatility, although some users have raised concerns about its weight and steam consistency. On the other hand, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability and lightweight design, making it a popular choice among users who value portability and ease of use. So which steam mop takes the crown? If you're looking for versatility and a price that won't make your wallet sob, the PurSteam is your best bet. But if you want a powerful cleaner with a long reach and a heartwarming commitment to saving pets, the BISSELL is a solid contender. Ultimately, it depends on what you value more, your budget or your desire to eliminate every germ in your home. Let us know in the comments which mop you're teaming up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to shop smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.